Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find your save files and config files for Anno 117 Pax Romana on PC. Let's get right into it. First, open any folder on your PC. On the left side, click on Documents. Inside Documents, look for a folder named Anno 117 Pax Romana and open it. Now open the folder called Accounts. Inside, you will see a folder with a long number. This is your player profile. Open that folder. Here you will find all your save game files for Anno 117 Pax Romana. You can back them up, copy them, or restore them whenever you need. Go back to the Anno 117 Pax Romana folder. Open the folder named Config. Inside, double-click the file engine.ini. This file contains all your game configuration settings, such as graphics, performance, and other advanced options, and that's it. Now you know exactly where to find both your save game files and config settings for Anno 117 Pax Romana on PC. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.